Hi class, so today we're going to be going over the days of the week, los días de la semana. And I just want you to make a note that the first day of the week is Monday in Spanish. So you will see lunes as the first day of the week in any calendar. So let's go over the days and then we'll practice. So the days of the week are not capitalized, they're written in lowercase. Repeat after me. El lunes, el martes, el miércoles, el jueves, el viernes, el sábado, el domingo. So all the days of the weeks are masculine, and notice the accent on miércoles and sábado. ¿Qué día es hoy? Means what day is today? And you respond, hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday. ¿Qué día es mañana? What day is tomorrow? Mañana es jueves. Tomorrow is Thursday. ¿Qué día es pasado mañana? Pasado mañana es viernes. Pasado mañana means the day after tomorrow. So what day is the day after tomorrow? The day after tomorrow is Friday. Si hoy es martes, ¿qué día es mañana? ¿Y qué día es pasado mañana? So if today is Tuesday, what day is tomorrow? And what day is the day after tomorrow? So your response will be, mañana es miércoles and pasado mañana es jueves. So when you want to write a sentence using the days of the week, you say el lunes to say on Monday. And los lunes to say on Mondays. Los lunes yo estudio. That means on Mondays I study. El lunes yo estudio, which means on Monday I study. So when you look at this calendar, you'll see that Monday is the first day of the week in the calendar as compared to the American calendar, which has Sunday as the first day of the week. So lunes means Monday. So as you can see here, you have lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. So if I were to ask, ¿qué día es el 10? El 10 es jueves. So you should practice with the numbers. ¿Qué día es el 15? El día 15 es martes. So try to make questions and ask yourself those questions. I give you a few minutes to do that.